How to get refund from trip.com. Let's get started. First, launch your Trip app and log into your account, or also you can navigate to the website and log into your account. Tap on My Trips to view all your bookings. Find and select the booking you want to cancel. Tap on it to view the full booking details. Press the Cancel Booking button. Choose the reason for your cancellation, then hit Submit to confirm. Click on View Cancellation Policy to check your refund eligibility. Remember, some hotels may have non-refundable policies, while others offer full or partial refunds depending on the cancellation time. Track the status of your refund in your Trip.com account. Refunds usually take 1 working day to process, but it may vary depending on your payment method. And that's how to get a refund from Trip.com. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.